Guys, what's up? Excuse me while I just kind of shift back here. I'm gonna play a song today, and I got this so that I'm like this on purpose, so you can see what's going on with the whole guitar. And I'm gonna just kind of scooch over here a little bit and fix this. I want to see what you guys think of this song that I've been working on. It's an Avenged Sevenfold song. I transcribed it to piano. And I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm close enough to the camera or too far away. That kind of thing. But we'll see. This is Acid Rain. It's drawn in the sky, so don't shed a tear now. Be thankful for the time. Life wouldn't be so precious dear if there never was a name. Children still play in the garden, dance as the sun slips away. We stand on the edge now. We've come so far. It becomes clear you will always be my heart. There's no death, no end of time when I'm facing it with you. Children still play in the garden, dance as the sun slips away. Not even stars last forever. The lanterns acid rain. Stands near to me, don't look, be brave. Over the blackened moon, I'll carry you away through the planets we fly. Children still play in the garden, dance as the sun slips away. Not even stars last forever. Lanterns acid rain. Alright, so I'll try to keep some more stuff going, and my pillow just fell. But, thank you guys for watching. Share me around, I guess. I'm not going to go through the whole deal. Just like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll keep posting, hopefully. Sorry about only doing one daily vlog. It's like day 5, and yeah. I'm kind of failing at that. But anyways, yeah, so that's what I've been working on, and I'll see you guys next time. Love y'all.